What's happening, fellas? Check it out. The Eagle has landed. The 2024 Gasgases have arrived. We've got 5 of them just came off the truck. We'll be unboxing these and doing some videos on them and let you guys know what's changed and what's new and improved. Guys, this is the MC250F and Gasgas KTM Husqvarna. They've completely revamped this bike for 24. It's all brand new. The engine, the frame, swing arm, everything's been upgraded on this, and it's got the best of everything. So if you're looking for a brand new Gasgas, give us a call. Right here, we got the 350s, which Billy Ainsworth, one of our riders, has been competing on in the AMA Nationals against the 450s in qualifying on a bone stock 350, which is pretty incredible. Inside, we got the 250 two-stroke. And if you can't afford to buy one, guys, for 10 bucks, go to KaplanCycles.com and buy your ticket today. This is being raffled off. This is a 2023.5 Gasgas MC450 factory edition. So, and not only are you getting this brand new factory edition, but you're also getting this set of Supermoto wheels is coming with it, and you're getting a tuition paid class at the Penguin Road Racing School up at Laconia, and a tuition paid class at the Canning Speed Establishment. And the drawing's October 6th, so it's coming up pretty quick, guys. Canning Speed Establishment will be at Southwick, and the Penguin Road Racing School will be up at Loudon, the national track. We got the 250 two-strokes coming down the line here. This is our absolutely, completely tricked out 250 two-stroke that is all set up with the team race graphics. Then we've got the 125 here also with the gold rims and polished motor mounts and just all the best of everything on this one. So a little bit later today, the Northeast Regional Sales Manager for Gasgas, KTM, and Husqvarna, John Adamy's coming down, and we're going to uncrate, give you a little sneak peek of what we got here. We're going to uncrate this brand new 250 two-stroke. So I know you guys love the two-stroke, so stay tuned for that. Also have the Gasgas electric bikes and the trials bikes. We have the TXT GP Pro 300 and the full lineup of Gasgas here, from the little electric Gasgases for the little guys, 5 to 7 year, 4 to 6 year olds. We've got the 85s, the 85 big wheels, the EX450, and then we've got a whole lineup of the factory editions right here. So don't miss your chance to win this brand new Gasgas. Go to KaplanCycles.com and buy your ticket today. We also have the Gasgas 700 Supermoto, the 700 ES Enduros. Junior has one of these. He absolutely loves it. And if you want the original Gasgas KTM Penton Husqvarna, this is it. The first engine, the first KTM engine ever in a Penton. And then, of course, you know the history. Penton was bought out by KTM. And we have a 250 SX, basically brand new out of the crate 250 SX. It's on sale at KaplanCycles.com. And I got the 550 version of it down the other end here. The 550 is right down here, so let's take a peek, because you're not going to see one of these coming up for sale anytime soon. Full frame-off restoration of the biggest bore two-stroke KTM has ever made, the MX 550, complete with the Olin shock and the Marzocchi Magnums. This one's priced reasonably at $13K at KaplanCycles.com. We probably put more than that into it in the frame-off resto, definitely 100 hours labor. So check it out. Come down and see us and put your deposit. Junior will finance your new Gasgas. We also finance the pre-owned bikes too. So if you want to buy a classic like this IT 175 or this steel frame YZ250 or this Hayabusa or a pristine KX 500, or how about a brand new 73 Z1, give us a call. We'll hook you right up. We ship anywhere in the world, so don't let shipping scare you. We'll hook you right up. Hope to see you guys at the Unadilla National. We'll be there with MOTOOL. The full lineup of MOTOOL. We use MOTOOL products on all of our bikes to shine and go. The chain clean, I fell in love with this stuff for detailing bikes. It's the bomb. Get all that greasy chain lube off the old bikes. Works phenomenal. We're running MOTOOL 800 in the two-strokes and the V-twin in the Harleys. And then you need from MOTOOL, we got in stock here 6D helmets, Gasgas clothing. Come on down, one-stop shop. We'll definitely hook you up. We can pimp out a new bike for you too. Anything you can want out of the catalog or anything on the secondary market. We have a dyno here, so we can dyno tune your bike. wizard tune it, and get you all hooked up. You want the world's only brand new 2023 CR500 AFL in a street legal chassis? Well, we have that too. Or how about a Nolan's equipped CR500? Or a brand new CR500 AF set up for moto? Or a Keith Peterson Racing 500? We got a full Monty lineup of 500s right now. These will go quick and they're irreplaceable. You can't get any more unless you want to wait a year to have one custom built or build it yourself. We got a CR500 1985 we just doing a frame up on, so this one will be coming down the pike soon. We got the only American dirt bike on the market at that time, the ATK 406. Got Jackie keeping a close eye on things. Hey Jackie boy. Hey Jackie boy. Manic Mechanics resurrecting this 1987 VFR 750. Got that one coming down the pike with a Yoshi on it. That ought to sound pretty good. Bill Kelly doing a Penton. What model Penton is this? Is this a 250?
No, 175.
175. Oh, is it a Jack Piner or what do they call this one? Kind of a unique color combo.
Yeah. Very
cool. We got a CR250 Elsinore here. Just did a crank on it. Gonna do a frame up on this one. RM 125. Classic. Sounds good, Jimmy. Cool. Gonna pop a wheelie for us? Got a Supermoto 500. Bunch of bikes coming down the pike here. Check out this classic. I think this is a 69 or Honda. Got an XR 400. We just got this KZ. That's the frame off that we're working on. This is an 89 KX 500. Full frame off on this one. Everything's been done. Crank up. Probably the most work we've ever done on an 89 KX 500. Then we got a KZ 1300 6-cylinder. Love these things. That's right, Virginia. 6 exhaust headers. Freaking awesome. Send it, Jimmy. We got a Rickman Montesa. That's like the one that we did a frame up on one for the reality show before COVID struck many moons ago. And then we got an Elsinore CR 125. So we've got some cool projects coming down the pike. Stay tuned. Jordan's Super Cub. It's a 24 unboxed and set up. We'll have it fired up soon so you can hear what it sounds like. Very cool piece. State of the art. If you have any bikes for sale, collections of motorcycles, you want to give us a call. We're one of the few. If you got 20, 30 bikes you want to sell, I'm your Huckleberry. We're one of the few in the country that can buy 40, 50, 100 bikes at a clip and have the process and the facility and the clients to buy them. So if you got bikes, we got cash for bikes, give us a call. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to work. Thank you all for watching. God bless the United States of America.